Congratulations at the start. Congrats, guys.
Thank you.
Ayan, kamusta ang pakiramdam? The first few days, doing well, and then you're here now in LA.
Parang ang bilis ng oras na nagbo-block screening lang kami sa Manila. Tapos ngayon, nandito kami sa LA. So nakakatuwa.
Pao, how do you feel that, they're here to welcome you? They're excited. Some pinakamalayo, New Mexico. I know someone from Canada, New Jersey.
Actually very excited to go to visit the cinemas as well. To personally thank everyone who's watching, and at the same time to help spread the word that My Love Will Make You Disappear is now showing not just here in the US but in other territories outside the Philippines.
All right.
Thank you.